Well, I'm on my way back to Walmart again. It seems like anymore I live at that damn store. And I'm still dealing with these conditions right here. Gotta have a little fun. As long as I keep to the left, I should be alright. I should be alright. That's what I'm saying. How we made it. It's whatever you do, don't stop. Nah, it's alright. You won't get too stuck, I don't think. But I ain't taking no chances. I am not taking any chances. I'm not getting stuck. Okay. We can stop. Maybe. We're gonna stop. Because I'm getting a little warm. My windshield over there is getting icy, as you can tell. Hopefully we can have a little fun. Maybe. There's not a plow truck down here. I don't know if it's safe to do what I'm about ready to do or not. Well, as long as I keep it in full drive, I should be alright. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Just a little fun. I'll pick y'all up again when I get to Walmart. This is what I'm dealing with. Oh man, these roads are treacherous. Look at this shit. But it's been a minute since we actually had a fairly bad winter. I mean, it's been quite a few years actually. So we was long overdue. Slow because I want them out of the frame so I can just film the road so y'all can see what I see when I'm driving here in this crap. I always laugh when I see people that's from Texas or Florida and they talk about cold. I was like, bruh, you don't know what cold is. It's like, come up here to the north when it gets down in the single digits, then you'll know what cold is. Let's go see what they got down the toy aisle, Pokemon wise. Probably not a lot. I stand corrected. They got a decent amount of stuff. I mean, the Alakazam box is pretty cool. But they got this right here. Fusion Strike. No one wants, because it's garbage. That set is garbage. Like that set right there. Sword and Shield base. I like this. I don't want to spend $40 on that though. No. And Hot Wheel car aisle, that's a joke. Because it's empty. That's why it's a joke. It's because it's empty. You'll see. It'd be empty. I mean, empty. You got them cars, yeah. But no one wants to buy a 5-pack. That is cool though. But you want the individual cars for like 94 cents. It usually goes in there. It's just nutso. I want that, but I want the Hero 10, not the 9. That's the price. And that's what an extra battery and charger will cost. This is everything that I got, my grocery haul for today. These are really good. Them are really good. That is really good. Found something new while I was in Walmart, so I figured I'd give it a taste test. Give it a try. Can you read that? I hope it's good, honestly. If not, it's going to be poured out. It's not terrible. Honestly, it's not bad at all. Trying to find my car charger. I'm not gonna find a bummer. Alright, well, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Then hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Again, thank you for taking time out your day to watch my crusty old videos. I have some pretty fire merch dropping soon, if I do say so myself. I'll let let you know when that happens. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. It's free. Help me grow my channel. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, people.